Ano ba mga kabalen? Welcome to Warren, Pampanga. For today's video, we would like to introduce to you our feature from home. This is from Doughlicious Treats, and look at our table. So it's going to be sugar rush for this video, guys. Samahan niyo ako. Let's go! So let's start with a little introduction, a brief introduction. So si Doughlicious Treats po only started officially last June 2023. Nag-start lamang po siya as a hobby or a passion, starting with only 3 products. And now they expanded their products, more than 3 now. Ayan, pansinin nyo guys. Okay, so let's start. Let me introduce first ano ba yung mga nasa table natin. So for the banana breads, meron po tayong 3 variations. The first one is the chocolate chip. Meron din tayong almond toppings, and then lastly, the walnuts. Sa mga cookies naman, we have this very colorful Cookie Monster. We also have chocolate chip cookies, which is the classic. Meron din tayong Oatmeal Chocolate Chip Cookies, and then lastly, meron tayong Oatmeal Walnut Cookies. This is their newest. Meron tayo ditong Dark Chocolate Brownies Bites. Actually, yung brownies natin dito is really super dark chocolate. Eto siya. Oh, wow. Super moist, super soft. I like it. It's not dry. It's actually super moist. Super moist. So far, parang ito yung magiging benchmark ko sa mga products natin. It is actually good. Gusto ko naman tikman yung kanilang Cookie Monster. This is very interesting. Yung kulay ng... Oh! I was about to say, yung kulay ng cookies natin is color blue, and inside it, meron pa pala siyang marshmallow. Okay, let's taste it. Wow, I like it. Right, so next bite, look at that. Oh. Wow, I must say, I'm actually impressed. So next natin, this is the chocolate chip cookie. Oh. All throughout the cookie, meron siyang dark chocolate. Alright, let's taste it. Another one. Next, we're gonna taste yung kanilang oatmeal chocolate chip cookies. There you go. Sobrang generous ng mga ano nila, chocolate chips. One more. Lastly, this is gonna be the oatmeal walnut cookies. Instead of the chocolate chip, walnut naman yung added ingredient. Alright, so that was it for the banana bread. Actually, I'm gonna try it with my family because this one's perfect with hot chocolate or hot coffee, no? So tatry namin sila sa baba. But guys, if you're interested to know more about this, we're gonna be adding or including yung mga information about Doughlicious Treats. They are also available via order and delivery apps. All products po are suitable for kids and adults. They are perfect for giveaways. If you want a customized or personalized packaging, mention it on your orders. They're gonna do it for you. They're also available via meetups in San Fernando and Mexico with a very minimal delivery fee. So there you have it, guys. I hope you like this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. We hope to see you in the next one. Until then, peace out. Bye, guys.